Okay, we are starting again our triangle, and we, of course, are dealing with the law of sines. And right here we have two angles and a side, and so there's never a possibility of two triangles if you've got two angles and a side. So you can find, of course, the missing angle really easy. And this is really what we call a special triangle. Notice that these two angles are the same. Two angles of a triangle are the same measure. The sides opposite those two angles are the same length. That is called an isosceles triangle. So that's what we have. We have two angles and a non-included side. Or two angles and the non-included side. So let's find the third angle. We add the two angles we already know. 10 plus 10 is 20, and we subtract it from 180, and we get 160. Hopefully you didn't need the calculator, but if you did, there's the arithmetic for it. Now that you know all three angles, you can find the missing two sides. The missing two sides are going to be the same because they're the sides that are opposite those 10-degree angles. So let's just start out and find A to sine A, C to sine C. Well, side A is what I need to know. Angle A is 10. So A is to the sine of 10 as 5 is to the sine of 160 because we found C. Now that we've got that set up, we would do the cross multiplication and division to get A by itself. Then we'll put it in the calculator to come up with the actual value for A. It's 9.85. 9.85. And since it's an isosceles triangle, both A and B are 9.85. So now you have the three angles and the three sides. These are, okay, now that I have this actually put in correctly, the two angles are 10 degrees here. Their corresponding sides, notice, are the same. Angle C was 160 and side C is 5. Now that I've got it correct, thanks.